trip out today. It's quite windy. Got a couple of bites. Yeah, Bobby's onto his first fish, I think. Yeah, intro to the video. Bobby's got his first fish. Is he going to hold it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, hi guys. Been out now for a good half an hour, I'd say. We've anchored up. It is a bit nippy and choppy. Swell's picking up, I think.
So there, there's
Casted a big bit of bait out. We've got a dogfish.
might be a bullhuss again.
Or might be a bullhuss.
But we'll have to. You see that, guys? And that there, I think it's a bullhuss because of them flaps. If you can see the flaps there. Perhaps you have to leave a comment and see if you can do it. But not a bad start. First fish. Do you want to give him a kiss?
No.
Come on.
No, get him away. You're gonna go. We got Dad's rod in now. Yeah, we got Dad's rod in now with bait on, mackerel and sandy, I think. Think he has a bite, in a minute we're gonna put the brand new rods out. We haven't used it. Might do a bit of feathering on that, see if we get mackerel. What my plan is that we're gonna put 2 bait rods out with mackerel and sand eels on, and then catch a bit of mackerel with feathering, and then put a full mackerel on a bait, which I'm gonna do. Catch a conger or a ling or something. See what happens here then. Probably won't catch anything, but try.
I love his optimism. Conger eel or a ling?
Where we anchored up today is we're by the power station. It flows out hot water, so all the fish and everything gathers up here. We're just on the edge of it, by the looks of things, with a yellow marked buoy. Just on the edge of it, anchored up, put our rods out, and then see if we can catch anything. Today, what our aim is more rays.
Less dogfish.
Less dogfish.
And something else, hopefully.
And something
Anything else apart from dogfish.
Might get some bass today.
Right. I've got a bite. And I'm telling you now, it's going to be a dogfish.
Oh. Yeah, like I said, it is a bit like windy today, but a bit of swell on here, but it's kind of cold. We're planning to come out with 2 and then stay out to 9. I don't think that's going to happen though, because it's windy. We'll probably start pouring down the rain.
Fortnight fishing.
Fortnight fishing.
Like I say, very quick trip out today. We've got a bit of dodgy weather, to be fair. It's not ideal conditions, but we only need to get out. I'm on working now all the rest of the weekend, so like I say, quick trip out, see what we can get, and here we go. We are anchored just on the limit, really. I think we're just inside where we need to be, unless they tell us to move, and then we'll have to go see.
As well, guys, today we are Dad, it is, mate.
Press record of you.
Yes. For God's sake, like. Right, we'll cut that bit out, but yeah. As well, guys, today we've got this net, and you guessed our channel, we got a net, which we are going to put on the anchor, tie the net to the anchor, and then put the anchor in the water. Put some bait in the net. All the juice comes off on the bait in the water. Tracks like a bit of conger eel, and might ling, might be something. Definitely tracks at eels. Pretty even.
Stop recording, Bob. joking. Right, big waves coming. Right, have you put your rod out? Just show everyone how you put your rod out, tidy. Get your little rod.
target is today, right, guys, is literally just
Come on.
just to catch a ray, a thornback ray.
My target, guys, right? I'm going to say guys. My target, guys, is to come out one day fishing on the boat with Bobby, and then he can do everything himself, like do his own little rod, do his own little bit of bait, so I can just chill out and sit down. But it's not like that. You may have noticed that the other one ain't here today, Harry the nag, constantly saying dad, 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 because that was stressful last time, but he done really well. He'll be out again, no doubt. Hell's bells. You like it, Bob?
Yeah. Freezing, but we're eager to get out.
Superman's got nothing on me. You like the what? Are you fishing? See, this would be even funnier, guys, right? If we get 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so hit the subscribe button, because we could go live then, and you can catch everything. Because at the moment we're being polite for the camera at the moment, but if we're live, oof, hell's teeth, innit?
Yeah. There is a lot of fish down here, like. Isn't a bad spot, Dad? Dad caught a wheat fish.
A wheat fish?
It isn't a bad spot, like I say, and it isn't a bad spot at all.
It's a terrible spot.
It isn't. It isn't a bad spot because it's.
It's a lovely spot. It's a lovely spot. Except if you're getting thrown around like a milkshake. Are you alright now? Get the camera, see that beautiful face, boy. Right, guys.
Oh.
I hate to say it, right? And I know we go every time we do come out, we end up fishing over the mining depot. That is our go-to place to fish, especially in conditions like this. Because over there it's going to be nice and sheltered, nice and calm. So we're going to stick out here for a bit more, see how we get on. We'll go from there. Okay, my rod is not even in the water yet. I'm too busy chatting. Right, what are we doing, Bob? Just in case somebody does ask. Oh, you meant to be fishing, right?
Yeah.
We're going to have to change our name, mate.
Why?
We'll call ourselves Fishing Idiots. What do you think?
Sounds pretty good. Suits us.
I tell you what. I'm like a black and white cow here. Oh, Frisian I am, boy. Absolutely Frisian. Okay, Bobby's into another bite. I'm hoping this sound works. Another dogfish which Bobby is going to take off himself.
I don't think
there's anything.
I don't know. That's the wheat fish.
Right, I reckon we got ship, mate. There's Bobby the weight thrower. Did you see that?
Yeah,
Nearly
but
had
how
me again.
deep is it?
Nearly had me again. Gets like that. Gets to the top. Woo! Flying weights.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
Fishing idiot.
No idea what Daddy's doing. Look like he's putting some bait on. I no idea when he's putting that net down, but that's probably the reason why we're only catching dogfish and weed fish. When we put that down now, we'll hope we catch some thornback rays or something like that. I got put some new line on my reel today. It's nothing special, but it's just
What size is?
£30 line.
Well remembered, sunshine.
We got food.
Did you tell them why you had to put the line on?
I know why we're not catching anything. now I'll get a bite like this. Going back. Bet you.
Okay.
As I say it.
Okay.
Jesus. I don't know if you can see that, but my rod is going. So let that give a bigger, stronger bite, and then I'll wind it in. I knew he'd catch on it if I put this on. Wind that in a bit. If this hat blows away, then I'll be very unlucky. Let me just say that. Then we'll catch no more fish.
Got fish cuts.
Right.
Right, I'm going to put some new rod holders on tonight as well, hopefully. When we find a place which is a bit more road spinning around, you know. What is going on?
I have something on.
What is going on here?
Jesus Christ. Very big dogfish, or it's two. Right, another dogfish.
The dogfish king strikes again. Pretty sure that if you've been watching our videos that you've seen enough dogfish. So we're going to take him off over the side of the boat using the T-bar. This way, bobbers.
Yeah, like Dad said, we're using the T-bar again.
T-bar again.
Introduce what that did our last video. If you don't know, then go back and watch our last video.
Did you see that? Off in one.
Yeah, like I was saying, we explained the T-bar in our last video, so
I really think we're going to be moving, guys. It's getting a bit... and the winds are meant to drop off, to be fair. But they haven't. And there's nothing but dogfish here, so I think we're going to up anchor and move over to our nice place of choice, which is the mining depot. But I need to check the tides.
and we will record us going over there. You can see the nice lovely engine.
Yes, that's right, Bob.
Forgot to say, hoping you're enjoying this video so far. It's nothing special, but when we go over there now, we'll catch big rays, get millions of views.
Now we've got a strong wind coming in off the land, guys. Way over that side. Wind is pounding on us, the boat's swaying. The lines are going everywhere, so we're going to go in really closest to the side there. Hopefully the wind will go flying over the top and we can set up some tidy fishing.
Guys, I'm sorry I'm not on the camera, but why does Daddy say we fish from the mining depot? We've only fished there once in our whole entire 7 videos.
Yeah, we always go there.
But I can't believe he says that. And if this is picking up no wind noise again, then
Good, Mike.
good Mike.
Right, how about concentrating on the driving, Dave?
Yeah.
Mining depot's that way.
And if you wanted to have a review of this mic, if you started recording your own YouTube channel, then hit us up on YouTube channel in the comments and we'll give you the links.
Yeah. Fishing idiots.
Trust me, it'd be better with no wind. I'm telling you that.
Right, let's get in, actually get inside there, Bobs. Captain?
Can't see nothing.
You going, boy?
I can't see nothing.
Just go straight.
Aye.
Can you carry on straight there, please, Bob? Straight on. Can you see the big mining depot, Bob? Try not to hit it. Fishing idiots. It's a good tip for you guys. If tonight we're trying to get in before it gets dark, okay? But people that are going out on their boat who aim to get in before it gets dark, always make sure you bring extra light in. So we've got extra headlights, we've got an extra spotlight, just in case something happens and obviously we're stuck outside then, in the dark. Can't see. Watch that boy in the water there, mate.
Oh.
I don't know where he's swimming to, but trying to hit him. I think, I got a feeling we're going to get a conger tonight.
Conger? I'll be getting a ray and a conger. Fortnight fishing. That's fortnight fishing for you. From now on, we're not going to go feathering 24/7. We're going to go catching bait fishing. I'm catching big fish.
Right, over by here, Dave. Knock it down a bit. Knock it down a bit, Bob. Hell's teeth. Go in, boss. In a bit tighter, boss. Dave, let's get in a bit here, right? Right, knock the engine down. Right.
Yeah. Great wind blocking, Jesus.
Jesus H Christ. Right, I reckon we go. Should we try the other side?
No.
Right, come out of the way because you're going to hit the thing in a minute. Mind you, Dave, that's not bad. You recording or? You? Fortnight fishing, baby! There you are, wind stopped.
I repeat, guys, the wind has stopped. Bloody mad. Got Daddy's phone in my hand you now. If I sit down there I can see what's recording. If you have a look there, look. You can see exactly what's recording. You might not be able to see because it's bright down. But
Right, that's blowing us straight onto the jetty there, mate. So I think we're buckle up there as well. No.
oh,
Let's try again, guys. We're it's a no-go here. If I spin you around, you can see how close we are, how much we're getting blown in towards the jetty, which is not great. So we've got to make a
U-turn.
see that now? It's the old mining depot, guys. Obviously they used to make mines there. Give you one last spin round
Jesus, Dad.
before we get too close.
We're gonna head. I repeat, we are going.
Hope you're getting a nice view of this. There we are, we gotta go. Let's try the other side. See you later!
guys, mining depot is a no-go, windy as hell, and the wind is blowing us into the mining depot, so no-go area to be honest with you. Right guys, just moved positions here now by Ward's Pier, well basically next to it. Dad's anchoring up over there by the gate. That's where I normally go land fishing with all my mates, but we're not allowed. Eat my sandwich, we go fishing. By the way guys, we're probably going to be catching a bass by here, because whenever I come here overfishing my pill I get nothing because I feather in, but with bait some people used to go off there and just catch bass all the time, so I'm guessing we're catching bass today. Or just more dogfish, about 66 dogfish probably.
Okay guys, just put the anchor down. Managed to find a bit. Hang on. That's better. Okay, just put the anchor down. Managed to find a little bit more shelter. And we are fishing. Well, when we were kids, right, we used to go up the field with our big beach casters. And we used to secret cast the furthest. And we used to come to this depot here, Woods Pier. And we used to cast as far as we could out to where we are now. So I put the boat where I could only dream of casting as a kid to see what we get. And that's it, we're just going to give it another go, is it? It's calmed down a little bit now. So let's get it on, brother. Got all a load of scrap bait in here. This is actually called chumminto, ground bait or whatever you want to call it. We're going to put all our scraps in here, we're going to lob it over the back. We'll put a big sand tray in the water, and a big ray's going to come, eat all our bait. Okay, so we anchored up. Bobby's going to do a little bit of feathering on the side. Thinks he's going to catch a mackerel, but I don't know. I'm going to load up this full of yaki.
Did I get that on camera? Jeez!
What happened?
Oh, like it's winding up, and then I pulled it up again, and then it came flying in and I caught it. Seen that camera, then that's just rugby skills there.
Rugby skills right there. Keep the heads up. Good for conger geels.
Yeah, that's a tip for you. With mackerel and bait, always keep the heads for conger eel.
Hey, love a bit of... Right, it's my bum showing. I'll censor it, don't worry. Okay? I've got some stinking mackerel. It's a honking doom. Keep one bucket for rubbish. That's what you do. I saw the light on the night that I passed by her window. Oiled mackerel fillets. They have been there, I don't know, I'd like to say months, but I think it's more years. There we go. I love the mackerel. Give it to me. Not so likely. They cost £2.50.
What's that? An oil mackerel?
Oil mackerel.
Easy to cut, isn't it?
Yeah, I might save some actually, mate.
Huh?
I might save some actually. I'm going to save that, guys. I'm going to use it myself.
Save what?
Mackerel.
Oil mackerel.
Oil mackerel.
I'd eat some of that.
see my bum then, did you? No. Okay.
Feather isn't working out. I'll tell you something, guys. Feathering isn't working out whatsoever. What doesn't cast? I'll tell you that much. I use this trace from Grandad's. My dad?
Say again, brother.
Use this trace.
Okay, 2 shout outs today. One shout out to my brother, Scott. He does watch the videos, I think. It's his birthday today. Show you how old he is. How old is he? 48?
48, 49.
He did text me actually. I forgot. And another shout out then to one of my friends, best friend actually. Well, not the best. Depends if he's doing jobs for me, he's the best friend. If he ain't, he's just a friend. He's supposed to be doing some decking for me 2 weeks ago. That's Mark Ginty McCarthy. I don't know how old he is.
He's 41.
He's not.
42.
42 maybe.
42.
He's older than me. Did you see that? Fish that was.
Yeah, nice.
So shout out there to happy birthday guys. Come on.
Happy birthday.
I'll be singing.
No.
No. Right. Oh, wait. Now, stress this guys. Keep saying guys all the time as well. Do my head in. That is a prime bait there. Can you see that? If that does not come back with the Raymond van Barneveld on the end, there is something wrong. Now as the wind is blowing the boat this way, the tide is actually going that way, so I'm going to cast it that way, sink it into the ground, up tide in. Remember I said that before? Up tide in. Prime bait. Prime bait.
I ain't casting, don't you?
We're using Grandad's Terry's rod. Hopefully he doesn't mind. Right, what do you
Whoa, Dad.
Watch yourself.
Last time you passed it. Alright guys, I've got dogfish, have you? Oh, I think. There is something on there because it's going. That is definitely a dogfish. Or a weed fish. No doubt about it.
I'm trying to fit some new rod holders on the boat as we're fishing.
We have a big fish. Why can we just
Too
one
bad.
off from the other?
Try it guys.
That is not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Yeah, good luck with that. Do you want a double decker?
Yes, please, Siri Bob.
Jack, you want one?
Yeah, there's bear poo in the woods. I think it does. Does the Pope wear a funny hat? I think he does. That means I want a double decker.
Yeah.
Get that down there. Open up, don't touch the end.
Bit.
Oh God, I want to touch it.
like I was saying, 3 or 4 years ago, 3 or 4 years from now, George will be on the boat with us. Most likely. Harry will be 10, my age, and I will be 14 or 15.
George Porgy. That's the youngest one, George. He's the nutcase as well, so got it up when he gets on the boat. I know everyone watching now is hoping that rod was flying out of that holder. I would be anyway. We now have 2 rod holders. Come on, boy.
Now can I feather off the back?
No.
No, the ones are cheap. They look like cheap.
What do you mean they look cheap?
They do, they're
They're brand new, mate.
crap.
Hell's bells.
They will go through and have a latch on the top.
What do you need a latch? Freaking cheap.
Two big bowls.
2 big balls. Sit. 2 big balls.
We're recording, you know.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Can you imagine, viewers, whatever you want to call them, can you imagine what they would be hearing and seeing if we were live?
Oh, you can have a peek at me.
Couldn't pee, we couldn't even pee. You'd have to turn away if we wanted to pee. Okay, guys, I've got a little bit of chum ground bait going down there. Put some weights on the top to hold it down. All the gubbins are in there. Good tip for boys when you do this, keep it in the bucket, go over the side, wash the bucket out to save getting all your juices messed up in the boat. One thing to remember, don't get this tangled up in the engine.
Oh my Jesus.
Famous last words. Okay.
Right, the juices are down.
The juices are down. Okay, I have these off Amazon, right? £24. No, £28 delivered for 2. That is good. Not bad.
Right, guys, then I'm addicted to saying right.
And I'm addicted to saying guys.
Yeah, we're just, I got my feathers on you now. I think there's fish down there because I seen a figure on the fish finder of a big ling going up to looks like a school of mackerel. So Dad thinks it's seaweed, but I don't.
How do you know it's a ling?
Because it was a full-on figure, but it would have been dot if it wasn't ling. But it looked like a...
Don't get ling here, you get lings in your way.
And it was going up, oh, it was like a big bass or something. It's going up to what's on the fish finder right now. So I reckon it's schools of mackerel. Dad's just going to set these roddles up. I'm going to cast it on the back, hold them in the rod, and then you see the rod will be like that bending.
There we are. It's a good tip for people out there who've got partners who moan about them fishing and then they moan about them working on the boat when they're not fishing. Trick is, do you work on the boat while you're fishing? Job done. So guys, yeah, quite happy with them rod holders really. £28 each I think they were. For two then, £28 for two. They're tidy. Fishing idiots.
Daddy had something on his rod, started recording, went mad. Coincidence, huh?
Got our rods all out there, look. Rod holders working well, boy. Delightful.
Yeah, we're having a kebab tonight, boy.
Kebab tonight, boy.
Yeah.
Do you know?
You know.
Do you know?
Should we get one on the way back? Or we got a card?
No.
Come on, Dino's on the way back.
Do you know?
Come on.
Fishing idiots, do you know? Yeah, guys, 3 rods out. We've got
Making
one
very
dogfish right here. We're out of the wind a bit, which is good. And yeah, trying what we can, guys. Doing what we can. We're out fishing. That's the main thing. Bait we're using mackerel and squid. We do mackerel and squid combinations, cocktails. I'm using some peeler crab and some squid, and that's about it really. The tide is just starting to turn now for out, so you can see everything starting to straighten up, which is how we need it. So hopefully we'll have a bit more fish in a minute. We've got Bobby chilling out there, relaxing. We've got a rod out here. We've got a rod there. We've got a rod there. We've got a rod here. And the weather has improved tremendously.
Very good, actually.
Very good. Nice and warm now. Lovely sunset. I'll say the only thing we're missing is a few more fish. But say we've got 4 rods out. Trying our best. That's all we can do. Size of that one on our bait. Look at them. Never seen that before.
I said to Dad, we should keep on bobbing the fish tank.
They won't survive me. Ah. The air ambulance there, guys. Definitely not looking for us, fortunately. She's good.
Got a fish. I think that's a bullhuss or a dog. Pretty sure it's a bullhuss because he's young, like.
Right, do you want to hold him?
Jesus, no.
Come on.
Fine.
It's bleeding a bit. So this is Bobby's challenge now, to hold the fish. So just hold it with my hand at the back.
The back.
Hold him there. And then hold him.
Like.
Turn your hand around, hold him right by there then. Right, see them, clock him now, see him move. Okay? Don't panic now, okay? So then when you want to hold him properly, once you got that, hold him in one hand, grab his tail, right? Like that, and then hold him like that. And you can get your hook and all that like that then. So just practice now, hold him, and then bring his tail up, and hold him in one hand. So grab the fish there, grab him there. See, put them under your thumb there. See, you can lift that thumb up now and put them under the thumb.
No, I can't.
Can't?
I can't.
Can't?
I can't lift my thumb up.
Right, so there we go, the fish there, right? Yeah? Put them to there. And then just like that. To there, and like that. Alright? There we go. Back in the water then, you put them back in.
Right.
So watch your tail, that's it. Straight over the side. You gone?
Dive straight in. I
Well
held the
done,
fish.
mate. Well done, mate. That's for all the viewers who wanted to see him hold the fish. Okay guys, we've run out of time, we've run out of tide. We need to get this boat back onto the trailer. So we're going to start packing up.
I'm putting the
Say-
waders on.
We only come out for a quick session today. We just got out with a little bit of a gap. Started off over there, but it was too rough, too windy. It's actually quite a nice night out. I would stay out all night, but the wife is cooking me an Italian meal, and we need to get home.
The Italian meal that I'm not eating, by the way. I
There's a
mean,
night bolognese.
I'm not having bolognese. The last time I had bolognese, well, mince, I was sick all day. Couldn't move. If I moved, I'd go all over. Couldn't eat anything. Couldn't drink anything. Sit in my bed
Poo in.
all day.
Did you poo in?
Nope.
You told me you were pooing rusty drain water.
Oh, like you then.
Yeah. So thank you very much for watching. Again, like I say, we didn't have much fish. Plagued by dogfish. But we're going to keep going. And there we go.
Guys, I only forgot to tell you that these pennies, I'm going to throw them in the water, and then whoever comes and finds them, like in 200 years, 100 years, 50 years, when there's new penny coins, find them, you'll be rich. Throw one in. That's one. That's two. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment anything we can improve on, and yeah, FORTNIGHT fishing out. FORTNIGHT fishing, baby.